Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to perform a small video on basic switching lab. In this we will configure a banner, console and line VTY and management interface that is default VLAN 1. So we will configure and we will check the connectivity. So first one, this is have a 3 switch. So I have connected switch 1 and switch 2 on the Ethernet 0/0 and 0/1. Similarly here 0/3 and 0/4. So we will configure one by one switch and we will do the connectivity check. So first one I will go with the switch 1. So enable configure T and host name. So we can configure this one as a host switch 1 and enable secret password. I will configure as uh, admin at 123, and first we will configure the eth0 and eth0/1 and 0/0 which is connected to uh, switch 1, which is connected to switch 2. So interface is 0/0, and we can provide the descriptions. Actually it's a very important, because so whenever you will try to do a troubleshoot, so you need to have a description of which port is connected to which uh, port. So this is connectivity to switch to on port 0/0 and no shunt. Similarly we will configure the interface 0/1. Okay, description 0/1, and similarly we'll configure the switch 1 interface which is connected to switch 3. So we'll provide the description as same as like this. So interface is 0/3, description connectivity to switch 3 on port 0/Z3, and similarly is 0/2 and connectivity to 0/2. So similarly I will configure the other two switches. So meanwhile I will pause this video. Alright, I have configured on switch 2. You can see the configuration. Similarly I have done the switch 3. So first we will go to the switch 1. So we have configured the host name, enable secret password, and then configuration of interfaces with a description. So then we will configure the console, line console 0. You can provide this configuration of console for connectivity, connecting the password. So whenever you plug the console cable, so it will ask for the, you need to provide the console password. So I will provide the password console for simple exit, and then I will configure VTY, line VTY 04 for remote connectivity, and password is telnet, just for a testing purpose, and login. So we have configured console password and line VTY password. So we will configure the banner. So banner, so I will mention this is switch 1, switch 1. So whenever you are configuring the banner, you have to mention banner and hashtag, and ending with a hashtag. So I think we have configured the banner as well. So we will configure the default VLAN one, that is management interface. Okay, we will configure the VLAN one interface. VLAN one IP address is 192.168 uh, 10.11 with a subnet mask of 24 255.255.255.0 and Notion. So we will save the configuration with the right command. So let me check on this exit. So you can see switch 1 console is now available. You can see the banner as well. Enable, so it's asking for the enable password. So what is the enable password you have given, right? So we will provide, that is admin at 123. So yes, we can see. So when we do a show run, so we can able to see the enable secret 4, and so the interface will end with IP address and the descriptions whatever we have configured here, and the password is showing as a plain text. So we can use that uh, service password encryption. So you can, with the service encryption password, so we can encrypt the plain text password. So similarly we will configure the switch to interface switch to as well. So host name, so I can mention as a switch to. So enable secret. So similarly we will configure the one admin 123 and service password encryption. Line console 0, password console exit, and line vty 024, password telnet, login, banners. This is switch to. Then we'll configure the interface VLAN1 IP address 192.168.10.12 with a subnet mask of 24. Okay, whenever you want to go out of this way, so you need to configure a default gateway. In this I have not yet configured. So if you want, you can configure the default gateway as well if you want to go out of this switch. Okay, host name, similarly I will configure the switch 3 interface, switch 3 as well. Host name switch 3, enable secret 123, service password encryption, line console 0, password I can provide console, and line vty 024, password is telnet, and login, and banner. Similarly we'll configure the banner. This is switch 3, and interface VLAN1 IP address is 192.168.10.13 with a 24 subnet mask, and no shut. Okay, you can save the configuration, switch configuration, and similarly we can save the configuration switch. So we'll exit and We'll see encryption password is working or not. So banner is reflecting here. So enable password is admin at 123. I think I'm wrong, enter wrong. Okay, so we'll do a telnet to switch 192.168.10.11. Yeah, so telnet is working, so we can enter the password admin at 123. I think I have entered wrong one. Oh, sorry, I need to enter the telnet password. So password is telnet. Okay, enable, and here is the enable secret password, that is admin at 123. So I think we can do for switch 3 as well. So we'll save it once again and exit. For switch 3 the banner is working, so enable 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 password is admin at 123. Okay, telnet 192.168.10.11. We can enter the telnet as a password, so enable admin at 123. So we can able to do a telnet, and console is also working, as you can at the start of switch, so you can see the console is enabled, so you can use for that. So I think we have done with the basic switching lamp. I can just configuring the switch. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to say thank you for watching.